So today is a very exciting day. Extremely exciting. I bought a lawnmower. A new lawnmower. Not a hand-me-down lawnmower. Oh, look at her in her cocoon state. Oh, battery in use, battery in storage. And I have 2 batteries. Cool beans. Then, if I remember correctly, there is a self-propel. Just watch this. Ooh! I mean, that's a self-propel, if I ever propelled myself. She's a gem. She's a beaut. I will be doing a full review on this wonderful mower from Stihl. It's a RMA 510V. No idea what any of that means, but look at her. Just look at her. I mean, really. Look at her. She's a beaut.